The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen.
Come on.
The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside.
Wow.
Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I've tried. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I am free. Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and sky. Let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I'll stand, and here I'll stay. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. This is insane.
Hello.
Hi,
Who are you?
my name is Taylor. I'm 23 years old and I'm from Melbourne.
Well, you were doing pretty well till Delta turned, and you sort of went a bit wobbly. It's like princess meeting princess. Like a gorgeous Disney moment.
I feel like there should be like CGI birds on your shoulders. I'm gonna have to tell Disney about you.
Well, I've actually had the fortunate opportunity to work for Disney.
Oh yeah?
I've recently come back from Hong Kong Disneyland, where I worked as a vocalist for 2 years.
Oh,
Wow.
Nice.
You're kind of like the enchanted princess, like Amy Adams a little bit.
So did you have to dress up every day in crazy costumes?
I was very fortunate to wear lots of costumes and beautiful wigs. And
Sounds like my life.
yeah.
The obvious thing would be to choose Delta, but maybe you should choose me.
You don't understand how many times I've played Frozen. God help my poor future kid who's going to have to watch this 100,000 times in her lifetime.
I feel bad for my family.
That song was beautiful, and you came out here and you sang it with all your heart and soul. And I'm so glad I got to turn around and ask you to please be on my team, Disney Princess.
Well, you've got a princess and you've got a prince at the end. Haven't you got a Disney connection?
Just a little. Yes, I know all about... That sounded weird. I know all about Disney princesses. I will say that at Team Joe, we respect our Disney princesses. I would love to work with you. I think you're a fantastic vocalist.
Thank you so
and
much.
I would love to take you away from doing songs like that and show off your voice even more.
Yeah.
Can we do more of those songs? Do you want to build a snowman?
Delta just wants to do the whole movie with you.
I think so. I literally think she's gonna in 2 seconds, she's gonna start up another song.
Yeah.
A whole new world.
Meanwhile, I know all the evil parts of the movie. You look like you had so much fun up there.
I did. My goal for the whole thing was to really take down the wall, and that's hard for me to do, you know. I feel like it's so easy to become a character, but it's even harder to be vulnerable and be yourself. And that's what I really wanted to do getting up here, and I feel like I did it. You did. A little bit.
Thank you so much for coming and gracing our stage today. And now you have a very important decision to make. And you got a 4-chair turn.
Wow. I can't believe it.
I have to go with Delta.
Yeah!